Hey, I'm Rain.
And I'm Brad.
And we're from the sunny Gold Coast, Australia.
We're currently travelling mainland Europe and then moving on to our catamaran, the Graduate, and sailing the Mediterranean.
So come along with us. Like and subscribe to follow along with our top-line travels. And we're off on our way to Santorini to meet friends Han and Tristan. Okay, quick update. Brad's zip on his bag, these bad boys, has split while in baggage claim. It was filled with his jocks and socks. And it's gone, and he's really cross about it. So he's got the manager, and he's gonna try and find it.
This one was working out.
A very grumpy boy. So we've made it to Greece.
Yes.
We're here a few jocks short, but otherwise intact. So we've made it to our cute little spot in Santorini. The room is a little bit smaller than we expected, but the terrace is making up for that. Look how beautiful this is. And the view is just wild. We've got a little hot tub and some day beds. And it's a cute little cove style room. Gorgeous. We are walking down the one side of the mountain to a restaurant called Barolo, and I have been told it's really nice. The views look amazing, and so do the cocktails.
Oh, yeah.
Sign me up.
We rocked up and it was a bit overcast and cloudy, but the weather's really turned it on now. Santorini.
Both got the lamb shank. It looked so good, and when it came out, it did not disappoint. Our accommodation included breakfast, and it was so yum. We're meeting Australian friends Han and Tristan today and going to go explore the island. We have hired some quad bikes to go exploring, and it was pretty easy to do. The insurance is included, and we are ready to rumble. Woo! Here we are on the quad with our mates. It is a vibe. About to hit the coastline beach and check out some cool spots. So we've quadded to the Bay of Amudi, and good luck to me and Han trying to pronounce that because we're just not sure, but it's stunning. Look at that. There's a walk that takes you to the tip of this cliff. We're going to do that little wander. Got these delicious cosmopolitans. They were €3 from the corner store. So good. Would recommend. So we've just packed a few of those and we're good to go. Yeah. Woo. Cheers, 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 cheers. Amudi is a beautiful bay and small port located 278 steps below Oya. The bay is lined with beautiful seafood restaurants with the crystal clear waters lapping at the table's edge. The port is busy with boat tours arriving and departing all day long. It's definitely worth a visit if you're in Santorini. So we've stopped in at Amudi Bay Sunset Bar and Grill. I can't pronounce the name. But we've got our traditional Greek salad and it looks amazing, and we've got some squid on the way and life is good. This is the best tiramisu I have ever tasted in my life. Oh my god. Do you agree? Oh my god, so good. So good.
This is happening.
This is happening. This is happening. We need to sunscreen. It would be plus.
Just hiking around, finished lunch over there, and now there's apparently a swimming spot around here, so we're gonna go try and find it.
So we've spent a big day traveling the island via quad bike, and now we are sitting back and relaxing, and we're about to watch the sunset. Oh my goodness, thank you.
How good.
Tristan just messaged me now and said that tonight's the night that he's gonna drop the knee.
Welcome to the club, brother.
So exciting. So we're sitting back and thinking of them as they have a romantic dinner. So exciting. We stayed in Imravigli, which is between Oya and Farah. It's super central, we were able to walk everywhere, and it's not as popular, so it's quieter and cheaper, and you can avoid the crowds. I would highly recommend staying in this area if you're visiting Santorini. Tristan proposed to Han. Look at that ring. I am so happy for them. We're back in the spa because the sun's out.
It's beautiful. Oi.
We're living our best life.
It's Wednesday, Origin Day. We're in the pub at Murphy's in Santorini. It's going maroon.
So while the boys watch the Union, we have been sent out to get them food. We are the best fiancés and wives that they ever could have, really.
Last night in Santorini, and we're at Tubriki. Yeah. We went with the tara masalada, meatballs, taco, chicken taco, and the chicken rigatoni.
How good does that pasta look? Are you kidding? And the cocktails are a vibe. So, would recommend. So we're gonna sit back, relax, enjoy the view and the food.
Rain and I took it slow in Santorini, enjoying the views and food, but now it's time to make our way to the Greek party island of Mykonos and ramp things up as we meet more of our friends and check out some of the hot spots. Like and subscribe to follow along.